Why is crypto down today? July 8, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, market. Price momentum may be strong, but muted volume and rising volatility suggest caution, says James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market is down today again. The majority of the top 100 coins per market cap and all top 10 coins saw their prices decrease over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has fallen 3.8% to $3.42 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $87.3 billion. TLDR. After 1 day of upward movement, the crypto market turned downwards. BTC and ETH are slightly down but overall largely unchanged, trading at $108,322 and $2,558, respectively. While crypto markets saw a mild drop, stocks fell sharply on the tariff news coming from the U.S., reigniting global trade war fears. US BTC and ETH ETFs have resumed positive flows yesterday. Bitcoin is taking its place at the forefront of the conversation. The lines between traditional finance, the DeFi ecosystem, and Bitcoin are blurring faster than ever. Underlying metrics still reflect mixed investor sentiment. Crypto winners and losers. In contrast to yesterday, the prices of all the top 10 coins per market cap have dropped today. However, only 2 fell above 0.5%, meaning that the majority of the coins in this category are practically unchanged. Bitcoin, BTC, fell 0.4%, currently trading at $108,322. This is still largely unchanged over the past 5 days. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, fell by 0.3%, currently changing hands at $2,558. The only 2 coins with increases above 0.5% are Dogecoin, Doge, and Solana SOL, with a drop of 2.5% and 1.3% to the price of $0.1682 and $149, respectively. When it comes to the top 100 coins, about a dozen are up at the time of writing. Bonk is the best performer today. It's up 6.8% to $0.00002347. Poel is up 1.7% to $0.1868, while the rest are up below 1% each. On the other hand, Fartcoin, and SPX 6900 SPX fell the most in this category. They're down 7.7% and 6.8% to the prices of $1.08 and $1.24, respectively. Financial markets in general reacted to U.S. President Donald Trump's letters to several countries, threatening tariffs of 25% to 40% and reigniting global trade war fears. Notably, he accused Japan and South Korea of unfair trade practices, and he warned of new 25% duties. The new deadline is August 1st. That said, stocks were far more impacted than crypto. Meanwhile, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has argued that the crypto community should turn to copyleft licensing. He says that the sector is drifting away from its open source roots. The crypto space in particular has become more competitive and mercenary, Buterin wrote. We are less able than before to count on people open sourcing their work purely out of niceness. Copyleft can be viewed as a very broad-based and neutral way of incentivizing more diffusion. Broader mix of market signals. James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet, commented that Bitcoin surged to a record June closing at $107,100 and experienced its strongest week above $109,200. But the neutral reading reflects a broader mix of market signals. While institutions have been piling in, a lot of money is quite tentative right now as the world appears to be on a knife's edge both geopolitically and macroeconomically. The index factors include volatility, trading volume, options activity, social media sentiment, Bitcoin dominance, and search trend data, Toledano says. Price momentum may be strong, but muted volume and rising volatility suggest caution. Meanwhile, high hedging activity or increased wary sentiment on social media and search trends could also dampen greed. In short, while prices rally, underlying metrics still reflect mixed investor sentiment, he concluded. Moreover, following FCC 2025, Alexei Zamayatan, BOB co-founder and BitVM researcher, commented that the conference made one thing clear. The lines between traditional finance, the DeFi ecosystem, and Bitcoin are blurring faster than ever. He continued, from Robinhood's tokenized equities to modular rollups and decentralized AI, the event showcased the accelerating convergence of these once-distant worlds. The growing interest in Bitcoin DeFi was also unmistakable, a sign that even at Ethereum's flagship event, Bitcoin is taking its place at the forefront of the conversation. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $108,322. The price first increased to the intraday high of $109,056, but then swiftly dropped to $107,591. It has slightly recovered to the current price since. Moreover, Ethereum is currently trading at $2,558. It started the day with a daily high of $2,581 and then fell to $2,521 before rebounding to the current level. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment continues moving between 49 and 55 over the week, though it has been dropping towards the fear zone in the past 2 days. The fear and greed index fell from 52 yesterday to 50 today. Nonetheless, there is no panic in the market, with both the sentiment and the prices moving sideways. Moreover, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded inflows of $216.64 million on July 7th. BlackRock leads the list with inflows of $164.64 million. Fidelity and Grayscale, BTC, also recorded positive flows, while Grayscale, GBTC, and ARK21 shares saw outflows. On the same day, US ETH ETFs saw inflows of $62.11 million. BlackRock and Fidelity were responsible for the entire amount. Furthermore, Murano Global, a Nasdaq-listed real estate company and a hotel chain in Mexico, has become the latest company to reveal its Bitcoin Treasury initiative, buying 21 BTC. It entered into an equity agreement of up to $500 million with Yorkville, with the proceeds primarily earmarked for BTC purchases. Also, the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, granted approval to the QCD Money Market Fund, QCDT, the region's first tokenized money market fund jointly launched by Qatar National Bank, QNB, and DMZ Finance. The product is designed to bring traditional instruments like U.S. Treasuries on-chain and to enable use cases such as stablecoin reserves, Web3 payment systems, exchange collateral, and institutional liquidity tools. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market fell mildly over the past 24 hours, while the U.S. stock market dropped sharply by closing time on Monday. The S&P 500 fell by 0.79%. The Nasdaq 100 also dropped by 0.79%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased by 0.94%. Stocks reacted to a number of tariffs and global trade news. Notably, the U.S. has sent out official letters to several countries announcing levies ranging from 25% to 40%. Is this dip sustainable? The market has been consolidating for a while now. Analysts expect periodical dips to continue, but they argue that the market will overall increase by the end of this year. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for July 8, 2025. The crypto market is showing bearish signals today, with the total crypto market cap falling 4.6%. Bitcoin is down 1.5% over the past 24 hours, currently trading just above $107,800. Ethereum has also fell 1.7% as it trades around $2,500. But what else is happening in crypto news today? Follow our up-to-date live coverage. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Crypto analyst says Wall Street's full-scale entry is just beginning. $100 XRP next target. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? XRP price prediction. Is consolidation over? Crypto Michael's chart hints at explosive move. Press releases. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Press releases. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Bonk. Price analysis. Picoin price prediction. Controversy erupts over no reward staking mechanism. Is Pi going to $0? 5 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 7, 2025. 21 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 21 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 21 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 21 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 3 days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.